mistakes, drink too much, and then stuff gets crazy. You know, because you have a big after party at the house. You ever wake up and see a rubber you don't recognize? Who's the guy, CSI? Here's a tribute from the king of pork to the king of pop. Pop.
Nice.
Oh.
Yep. Shaka Khan. It was sorta a porno scene with a mystery. A random rubber was stuck to my Zubaz. Held it up, sure enough, it was warm. Ooh. 40 beers on a Friday night, but we was drinking light until her family showed up, strutting their stuff. Bag of weed, Jaeger bombs, we were pounding. Mom Phyllis always told me to be careful on the pod, cause you pass out if you smoke too much. I swear to God. Mom always told me, be careful what you do. But when she drank that booze, she always got used, and then it's by my feet, but it's not my rubber. I swear to God, I might be drunk, but not dumb. Cause Donnie Baker's a magnum. That vodka bar. Might be drunk, but not dumb. Cause Donnie Baker's a magnum. I swear to God I am. I swear to God I am. Yeah, who's Ramsey, Angel? I can tell you've been cheating on me when he's got monogram rubbers. I wear magnums, the biggest one they make. And even these, I swear to God, come halfway down on me. Look like I'm wearing Spanx. Christy knows. It's by my seat balls, but it ain't my rubber. It's by my feet, and I blame her brother. I swear to God I do.
Wow.
Thank you, Donnie. Donnie Baker, the